Welcome to another YouTube video with me today. I hope all of you are happy, healthy and safe. So today I am going to show you how to make this, the bangle. It's a beautiful bangle that is that you can wear or give your sisters or your friends. So you can even wear it to any place you like. So it's easy to make. Let's see how to make it. So we'll need a big piece of paper for this. Maybe 18 into 18 centimeter paper will help us make the right sized bangle. So for this you can use wrapping paper or any other patterned paper. A beautiful piece of paper would make a beautiful bangle. So shall we see how to make this beautiful bangle? Now keep it in the shape of a diamond and then fold it like this. Don't take the two corners to the same place, but keep it like this. Depending on the size of the bangle, you can keep the width of the piece on top. Now turn it around. Now here, this corner, can you see that there's a little space there? So think about the space and fold this slowly like this. Now be careful when you fold this. Once you get the amount or the size you want, you can press it down like this. Then fold it once more. Fold it over and over, but don't forget to press it after each folding. Fold it until you come to the very end. Then put some glue. Then, now holding it from the middle, slowly push it down like this. So now you have a circular piece of ornament. Now put these two ends into the two pocket-like areas at the end. If this is too big, you can adjust the size. But if you want it the same size as this, you can put the pockets into each other. And you should apply some glue there so that it sticks together. So paste it with care. Now press down on the entire thing so that it looks nice and it's all circular. See how it looks on your hand? You can use different colors to make this different wrapping paper and it'll look really nice on your hand like this. So every day we make different sorts of creations and crafts. So stay with us and tell your friends to join this YouTube channel. You can subscribe, comment and give us a like if you like this video. So we'll be back soon with another video like this. So stay safe. Goodbye.